Just wanted to do a follow-up on the finished product. It's the Rustoleum kit from Walmart. It's their professional kit. I mean, it came out fabulous, I think. It was like 80 something dollars. I mean, it's not 100% perfect, but it is really good compared to paying a few $100s on a shop doing it for you. A little bit of prep work. I mean, it looks great, in my opinion. There's some spots that are going to need touching up, and I'll get a small can for that. But overall, solid buy. And look at that. The line's nice. Super nice. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.